Hello all, welcome to session 42 of Selenium Python Training series. In this session, I am going to practically show you how to concatenate string text with integer numbers in Python print statements. So let's get started. First of all, let's launch this PyCharm. Inside this Python file, let me create a variable, say name, okay? And to this particular name variable, I will be assigning some string text like Arun Motori, which is my name. Now I'll be writing a print statement here. Inside this print statement, I'll specify another string text. Say my name is. So here, this is one string text and another string text is stored in the variable say name. Now, if I have to append this particular string text with this Arun Motori string text, here I'll be writing name. But this will not work, guys, right? We have to use plus symbol here to concatenate this particular string text with another string text. In Python, we have to use this plus symbol. Now, if I run this code, as you can see, these two string texts, that is my name is and Arun Motori, will be concatenated and printed together like this. That's fine. But what if I create another variable, say some a? To this variable a, I am assigning some number, say integer number, say 9. Now, if I use some print statement like this and say my employee ID is, if I give this variable a, it will not work, guys. Okay, we cannot concatenate string text with number like this, right? This is not possible. So can we use the plus symbol, as we have used plus symbol for concatenating two string text here? Here, one of the thing is a string text, other one is a integer number. Can we use plus here? Here you are not getting error, but when you run the code, you will get the error in the output. Okay, run this. You see, you will get an error saying that you cannot concatenate string text with a number or integer, right? So instead of using the plus symbol here, we have to use comma symbol. Okay, here for concatenating this string text with the integer number, right, inside the print statement. Okay, if you have to do this concatenation inside the print statement, then followed by this string text, you have to put a comma here. Okay, my employee ID is comma a, like this. Okay, this will work, guys. This concatenation will work inside the print statement where the string text will be concatenated with this integer number. As you can see now, run this code. You see, this time it will work. My name is Arun Modri. Here for concatenating inside the print statement, these two string text, we have to use plus symbol. But for concatenating a string text with an integer number, we should not be using the plus symbol. Rather, we have to be using the comma. Okay, like this comma we have to be using. So it will work. My employee ID is 9. Got printed here in the output. So hope guys you understood how to concatenate string text with integer numbers in Python print statements. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.